Team, I'm back with new update in 9S WMS. Plus, as I earlier announced the point of sale application, so today I am rolling out the beta version, which user can check and access those and define different kind of use cases and use it. So as we mentioned, so user can just log in and select app, open point of sale. Now he can see the dashboard. In the dashboard he can check their transaction. If you want to shuffle those things by counters or outlets, they can switch those things, or they want to directly open the terminal, so simply they can press terminal and it's started. So as per the availability of stock, those will appear. So we are providing two type of screen. One is like for a food industry where he can just click and those will add as it is in the cart. Second one, we are allowing listing option, so where user can just scan the barcode and those item will add as it is in the cart. So there are multiple options where he can define the cashier, then salesperson. Again, if they want to hold this bill, so they can also perform hold. Whenever they want to just resume that bill, they can resume it, and simply in a click pay they can select the denominations like 500, 500, 500, and then 200. So that way he can just complete payment, or like if he collecting from card, UPI, or split way, so both way he can do. Otherwise, simply in cash, they can just click complete payment. In a fraction of second, bill is generated, he can print the invoice. So it's like fingertip, user can generate POS bills. Now as per the categories, he can select the products. If they categorize their inventory in the WMS, so as it is he can use. Then other option which we provide, so they can check their inventories. Also we are providing the filters where he can check quickly out of stock, lost stock, and overstock products. Same way he can apply the filter for checking the stock of other franchisee stores or their own stores. Then they can also perform the returns. If they want to perform return, they can just simply select the bill and again the which product they want to refund, the methods, and simply process return. In a clicks they can also process return. So it's very fast system, user can use it in a fingertip. Now we added different kind of reports which user can see the daily basis, terminal wise sales report, cashier performance, transaction histories, and branch stock. So in which branch how much stock is available, he can check it simply. Then we have discount schemes where user can define different kind of discounts on a percentage basis, on a combo basis, and also buy one get one options. And they can also control the users limit, how many times those coupons can apply on those particular scenario. Then we have staff management where we can create different staffs and we can also check their performance in a click, and the commission tracking if we are passing any type of commission to the franchisee. In the settings what we provided, user can add multiple POS terminals and they can define the code and also assign the warehouse and methods they can select differently. Then the different general settings where they want to print in the invoice format, so they can also mention those things. And also you can control like you want to directly do the transaction from a walk-in or you want to go with the customer creation. So both option is available. Then customer master, you can create your customers, you can integrate with CRM also. If you want to go with the walk-in model, you can use the walk-in model. Then the requisition option, so user can perform requisition, so they can check stock quickly, like out of stock item they can just simply select and they can place like when I required those, so I need it before first and it's very urgent and I am requesting to HO, and you can just click submit for approval, it's done. Again, whenever your team will check in pending approval, they can issue the stock. So again, whenever the stock will come, so again we can use the MRN option. So from MRN we can check the open requisitions, we can click and check the stock if it's all well. We can type the reference number, DC, the any additional note if you want to fill, otherwise confirm receipt. So it's done, so we receive the stock. So it's a very easy to use option. Whenever the HO will perform the things, so they can perform the transfers. So in the transfer they can manage the requisition model. Again, as per the requisition they can initiate the transfer, and on those transfer they can also control the dispatch model. At last we have the franchisee, so you can create different kind of stores. So you just need to create branch first in the WMS. After the branch creation, user can just change the model, like if they want to use that branch as a franchisee and they want to allow the user limit, like how many terminals they can add or how many users they can add. Then the franchisee additional thing where we can type the franchisee name, commission rates, royalties, agreement start date, end date, and the security deposit things. We can also control their users, their performance, and at last the most important, we are providing the pricing model where user can configure their store level pricing. How they can also use, like if they want to use the price list model, so we also have the price list concept which he needs to upload once in the WMS. After that he can load price list for that particular franchisee, or if he wants to do manually, so he can also select price list or prices, so he can override the prices and it's done. So it's a very easy to use option where user can use this POS for their different purposes. So that we designed for a simplicity purpose, and the first our focus and core focus is like simplicity and intuitiveness. Anyone can use this POS. So I hope you will love it, and thank you.